So far, looking at crude oil, the market has really dumped tremendously. And as you can see, we dumped straight into this extreme discount. And in the previous video, I talked about an opportunity for me to look for a buy from right here. And all I wanted to see was a 5 minutes break of structure to the upside. And as you can see right here, this was the high, the low. And right here, even though this break of structure was really very small, it was significant enough for me to look for a scalp buy. And right here, this was the break. I wanted to see price mitigate this key level because that was the area of interest for me. This was the area that I wanted to buy from, and as you can see very nicely, price mitigated it, and that was my opportunity that I got in. You can see the trades. It was pretty much a scalp buy. I'm also going to show you the exit positions. And as much as overall I still wanted this trade to continue higher, but I wasn't really satisfied with the price movement, so I just scalped the trade, and I didn't like the break of structure as well in the 5 minutes. It didn't really look so significant, so that was why I was focusing on just scalping it rather than holding it for the long term. But overall, I'm still bullish. And after price came down here, I looked for an entry right there, and then I used the 4-hour inefficiency as my exit right here. So you can see this right here was my exit, and I was pretty much just scalping buys because we were at an extreme discount zone. So price can easily, even if we're bearish, price can easily go to the upside. So this right here, this was the exit position, and this was my buy position. Price went straight there, and this was the exit position. And as you can see, it was pretty much, I was just scaling out the profits. It was just one position, but I just kept scaling out profit as it was heading higher. So I used a very small time frame right here to get in. 2 minutes break of structure. I'm going to show you the 2 minutes break of structure after price mitigated the key level. So this right here, this was the point of interest, and right here, this was the high that got broken, and this right here was the entry. Right there was the entry, and the stop loss was the low right here. Take profit was literally just, it was a 1:3 risk to reward ratio. So you can pretty much see the results from the trade, and right there, price expanded, went straight into that position. So all I did was, the moment price was coming very close to the take profit zone, I was just scaling out profit before we got there. So, and eventually we saw the spike down, spike up again. Don't be surprised to see price run this liquidity one again. So overall, I'm still bullish. I'm still gonna be looking for buys on this. I'm still gonna be looking for buys from here, but potentially for me to be confident to look for a buy that will run this low resistance liquidity, I'd like to see a really significant break of structure on the 15 minutes time frame. I would like to see that for me to be confident enough to look for a swing trade for a buy setup. So that's my analysis, and if you do have any questions, feel free to drop it in the chat. And we have something awesome coming up, a mentorship program, and we're going to be launching that very soon. It's going to be a mentorship program for pretty much everyone. A lot of people have been asking us for a mentorship program, and we wanted to do something that is going to accommodate every single person who's interested in it. It's going to be 1 hour, 30 minutes every single day, Monday to Friday. We're going to have live sessions, 1 hour, 30 minutes every single day, Monday to Friday. And this mentorship, we're going to take you from pretty much being a novice, a beginner's trader, to becoming an advanced trader. You'll learn how to swing trade, how to scalp, and you'll understand structure from the bigger time frame perspective and how to use that to your advantage for long-term trading, short-term trading, and you can also use that for long-term investing because we do invest as well in assets using pretty much the same strategy from higher time frame. So, and the mentorship program is going to last for 4 months. It's pretty much for anyone who wants to be a professional trader. If you just want to be a professional trader, this is what you want to do for a living, you want to do this for the rest of your life, then yeah, the mentorship is for you. And feel free to leave your comment at the comment section if you're interested in it, or you can send any one of our team a direct message if you're interested, so we can just put you on the waiting list. And once we launch it, we're going to launch it really, really very soon, sooner than you expect. So once we launch it, you'll be the first on the list, and we'll get you signed up. So I'll talk to you all soon. Have an amazing day.